Let's talk about some of the basic themes. Here you have plan, act, and track, and mostly your basic info planning happens here. These are then when you already have stuff live and you're working on it, and then here we have some reporting. To start off with, you should always create some of this basic marketing context. So I'm going to switch to the new account we just created and set up business information. Let's fill in the language and then just click on generate business context. Then you wait. This usually takes about 30 seconds. And that is done. So it tries to automatically detect your basic business information. You can go ahead and save it, but of course you can change any of these. If there's anything here that you want to modify, you can do so. Then there's some brand assets that you can also modify. Then customers, let's say marketing managers at 25 to 100 people organizations spending more than done. And obviously you can also modify these as much as you'd like. Then let's create some product value arguments. So let's start with this. Let's say that is the landing page. This is Finnish and Finland there. And that is done. Let's go ahead and save that. Also, if you untoggle the summarize, you can see all the details and modify these as much as you'd like. Then let's add a competitor and generate. Good, and that's all done. And obviously you can add multiple customer profiles, multiple products. Then you can also add a brand guide. Note this needs to be linked to a product so that we know when to use it. You can add disallowed words and approve claims, disapprove claims. That's your basic setup. Then you also want to go to manage account and link this to a Google Ads account. So I'm going to log in here, go through the 2FA, and then you can link your Google Search Console account and your Google Ads account. The automated onboarding will guide you through all of this basic stuff. So maybe that's an easier way to go. But now let's take that account and see if we even have a Search Console account that we can use. Yeah, there. And now the basic setup has been completed and we are ready to get started. And a logical place to start is the keywords, because this is kind of what all of this is based on. And let's say we want to advertise Google Ads. So I'm going to create a list for that. Okay, so I created a keyword list, and these AI agents are the main way. So I'm currently running this commercial research flow. You can see it running there, and it is now ready. And here are the keywords that it found. I'm pretty happy with all of these. I probably could have expanded on some of these, but they're all kind of relevant to what we're trying to accomplish. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to my keyword list. And now I have 100 keywords, which is, I think, a good start.